Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Flying Beauty. So my name is Vaishali, as you all of know, and by profession I am a cabin crew. So I know it has been a long, like a week, that I have not posted any video. The reason behind is that I was not in my hometown. I was out of my hometown, and that's why I couldn't post any of the videos. So sorry for that, but from today onwards I'll try to be more frequent to post the video. I can't promise that, but I will try for you guys. So without any bug, I will start to my video. So today's video will be very interesting one, because today I'll be showing you guys my lipstick collection. Yes guys, I have a huge lipstick collection. Even I didn't know it. मुझे खुद को नहीं पता था कि मेरे पास इतने सारे lipstick हैं. So if I try to count the lipsticks, I can open a big shop. But if I show you all my lipsticks in one video today, it will be a lengthy video which you guys won't like. So today I'll be just showing you my pink shade lipstick collections. So after that, in next video I'll be showing you one by one my variant colors lipstick collection. Alright, so guys, if you like this makeup, just let me know. I have created this makeup for a festive occasion. You can see, I guess. So it's shimmery greenish and with a touch of pink eyeshadow, and not eyeshadow exactly, eye makeup. So if you like this makeup, do let me know in the comment section below that if you want a tutorial regarding this. So I'll try to post a video for this makeup look. Alright, and friends, this is my lipstick collection. Yes, it's a huge one, so I won't be showing you all of them, but as I told you, I'll show you just my pink lipstick collections, pink shade lipstick collection. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Ghanti bajao, there will be a red colored bell icon. Just hit that so that whenever I post any kind of video, you get notified first without any delay. And if you like this video, just share it with your friends so that they can also enjoy with the video, and let me know in the comment section that how you like the video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Right guys, so now I'll be starting with my lipstick collections. So first of all, I'll show you from the basic. It's LE18 lipstick. It's a pink color, and the color is this. I hope you can see this one. It's I'll just show you a swatch. Yeah, so this is the color. It's a very light pink, baby pink color. So you can see it's a light pink color. So it's very old lipstick. Maybe it's 3 years old. I don't remember exactly. So this is my first shade. Alright, so the second is, this one is also from Maybelline. Actually previously I used to use this shade for my job purpose. It was included in my makeup guidelines, but now it has been discontinued, but still I love the color, so kept this. So this is the color, I hope you can see, and this is also a baby pink color. See this one, so it's slightly darker than this. So this is the next. It's also Maybelline, and the shade is Flaming Fuchsia. Yes, so I hope you can see it. Sorry, it's Flaming Fuchsia. Alright, I can't give the link. I'll just check if I can, then I'll surely give you link for this lipstick. Alright, so guys, the next shade I'll be showing you is also from Maybelline. This is also from Maybelline, and the shade is 642 Pop of Pink. this one. I hope you can see. So, and this is also slightly a mauvish pink color. Just see the swatch. Yeah, so this is a slightly mauvish baby pink color. So this is also from Maybelline. It's a matte finish, a creamy matte finish. Alright. So, and the shade I have told you, it's 642 pop of pink. Sorry, I just slipped. So this is pop of pink 640. Guys, so the next shade I'll be showing is from Miss Claire. It's an Indian brand. So it's this pink shade was also included for my job purpose. It was there for my duty. I used to use this for my makeup, but now this shade also has been discontinued, but still I have kept it because I like the color and the finish as well. I'll just show you. Yeah, it's slightly darker. It's matte in color, very matte color. See this one, and the shade is it's 32 ultra pink. It's 32 ultra pink. I don't know if you can see the shade name or not. It's 32 ultra pink, and yeah, it's from the brand Miss Claire. And the shade I have showed you the swatch, this one. It's a very bright color, and I think it will go with a fairer skin tone, medium to fairer skin tone, a skin tone people like me. It will suit them. Alright, so I'll be turning to the next lipstick. Showing you my next lipstick. It's a crayon lipstick, and it is from the brand Stay Quirky. So this brand is available in purple.com. You won't get any other websites for this brand. It's only available at Purple. So like, this is the color. It's also baby pink color. I will just show you a swatch. Yeah, mostly I think I have baby pink color. See this one, it's almost like a darker shade, but it's a nice color. See, yeah. So, and the shade name is Late Night Shift 1. Yeah, it's written here, Late Night Shift 1. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's not visible, I guess. But it's from SQ Stay Quirky, and it's available only on purple.com. So you can go over there, download the app, and you can purchase this one from purple.com. Yeah. So the next lipstick is from a company. It's very affordable, and it's from Darling Isabella. Alright, it's a liquid lipstick, and shade is, yeah, and the shade name is Duchess Lavish Pink. Yeah, Duchess Lavish Pink 8. This is the shade number, and it's a liquid lipstick. So yeah, I'll be swatching it here. See, these lipsticks are very affordable, you know. You all can go and purchase it. It's within the range, I guess, 200. Within 200 you will get this lipsticks, not more than that. So it's also a deeper shade of pink in color. See, let's show you a bit more. So this is the color. It's also a matte finish liquid lipstick, I love this shade very much. I love this shade. So this is from Darling Isabella and the shade is Duchess Lavish Pink. It's also available in purple.com, not in any other website. You'll get only in purple.com. So this is the shade. So yeah guys, so the next lipstick I'll be showing you in pink undertone, yeah, for pink color is also from Darling Isabella. See, this one. And the shade is Duchess Dusty Rose 2. Yeah, so its shade is Duchess Dusty Rose, shade number is 2. And the shade is, I'll just show you the swatch. This one, a reddish pink kind of. It has a hint of red. See, pink in hint of red undertone. This is the color. Okay, so this is also from Darling Isabella brand, and it's also available in only purple.com. Yeah, so the next color is this one. And next I'll be showing you lipstick from Stay Quirky. This is the lipstick that I have applied also. You can check this one. This is the color I have applied, and this is from Stay Quirky brand. It's also available in purple.com, and the shade name is Pink Smoochin 22. See, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's Pink Smooching 22. And it's also a very dark pink color lipstick. I'll just show you the swatch on my hand. See, this one. Okay, so this is the swatch and this is the lipstick. I am wearing this one also, see. So this is from Stay Quirky and the shade is Pink Smoochin 22. Pink Smoochin 22. Alright. Okay guys, so the next lipstick is, it's lipstick but it's lip crayon. I forgot to tell you this one, this liquid lipstick is also a matte form. It's also matte in color. You can see I have owned this. Okay, so back to this one. This is also from Purple and the brand is Purple itself. So it's available only in purple.com guys. You won't find it anywhere else. And it's a lip crayon, matte lip crayon. Alright. So the shade name is From Bud to Cis 5. I don't know if it's visible or not. I don't think so it's visible, but still I don't think so it's getting focused. So still I'll just repeat the shade name. It's Bud to Cis 5 matte. So this is the shade. It's very light pink, very light. See, very light. Yeah, so this is the shade and it's lip crayon and the shade is From Bud to Cis 5 from Purple, a brand called Purple. Alright, it's a matte in color. So guys, last from but not the least, this is from MAC. This is very interesting guys, you know, because this shade I have got it free. Yeah, I purchased my face powder compact from MAC and I got it free. Yes, so I was very happy. So yeah, this is a liquid lipstick from MAC, and the shade name is 115 to Matte with Love. I don't know if you can see the shade or not, but the shade name is 115 to Matte with Love. This is a beautiful, my most favorite, because it's pink in color and pink is love. In my last video, I guess I have worn this shade. See how beautiful this color is. So this is also matte in finish. Alright, so this is the last pink shade lipstick, friends. So these were all my pink shade lipsticks that I have shown you. This all together, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pink lipstick I have with me. Alright, so I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. As I've already said, like, share, and please subscribe to my channel Flying Beauty, and you'll get more and more videos from me. I hope you have liked this video. Do let me in the comment section below. I'll show you my more lipstick collections, okay? And if you have not watched my previous video, I'll give the link in the description box. Do watch it, do share it, and if you have liked this makeup look, just let me know that if you want to see a tutorial in the comment section below. I will show you the tutorial, and this makeup has turned out so beautiful. I myself is liking this look. So thank you for watching my videos. Keep loving me, keep supporting me. I'll be coming with another exciting video on food. Yes, so stay tuned, keep supporting me, keep loving me, and I'll be coming up with more and more exciting videos for you guys. Alright, today this much for now. I'll be coming with new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, I love you all.